Phakathi ungene ekhotho abonakala nganandaba nalitho naphezulu komonakalo awenzileko eminyakeni engaphezulu kwelithoba. Unamacala amachumathobako nesithandathu avulwako. Phakathi wahlotshaniswa namacala la ngenhlahlubo zokufanisa ifuzo. Ubunengi babongazimbi bakhe matlawana ebeka wakhukhuthela naka esikolweni. Ngasikhathi batsho bekazenza umuntu ulungisa igezi endlini zabantu atsho azokulelesa. Phakathi uzibone umlandu kanti napu obunye ubufakazi bakhe obuthusako.
I plead guilty to the charge of rape in that on the 17th July 2013 at Petfontein in the district of Benoni, and at around 8:30 in the morning I went to the house of the complainant, a 19-year-old female, under the guise that I was looking for a gardening job. She opened the door for me and I threatened her with physical harm and forced her to undress, and I then sexual intercourse with her without a consent. When I was finished, I left the house and ran away.
Inhlangano zomphakathi zifuna ukuthi athweswe isigwebo esibudisi.
The nature of what we had today it's very gruesome, and you don't even understand how a person continues to put our community under siege and also children.
Icala liselokubuyela lokho kule khotho ngomhla wobunane kulenyanga ephezulu nakwethulwa isiqundo sekhotho.